Today we'll do sums. We'll do different types of problems based on method of substitution. So method of substitution is also called method of change of variable because we are changing the variable. Okay, so let's start. Question I, this function is given and we have to find out the integral of this function with respect to x. So first of all we'll solve this. What we'll do, we'll take e to the power x common. अगर हम कॉमन लेंगे तो ये होगा e to the power x and this will be 1 upon e to the power x. So we can write like this, e to the power minus x. Okay. Similarly, we'll take e to the power x common. This will be e to the power x and this will be 1 will be equal to 1 upon e to the power x. So 1 upon e to the power x होगा e to the power minus x and dx. So this we can cancel. So value will be, so I का value will be equal to e to the power x minus e to the power minus x and e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. Okay. So now we'll let e to the power x plus e to the power minus x will be equal to t. So the now what will be the value? Derivative of this function e to the power x and minus यहाँ पे होगा and e to the power minus x. dx will be equal to dt. Okay. So we'll put this value here and it will be, so this is the value, no? This value we have taken as t, so 1 upon t. Okay. And e to the power x minus e to the power minus x dx is equal to dt. Okay. So value will, what value will get? E log of t plus c. Okay. Now we'll put the value of t here. Log of t का value is e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus c. ठीक है. So this will be our value. So we have the next question. I is equal to this function with respect to x. So first what we'll do, let x to the power n is equal to t. Then derivative क्या मिलेगा हमें, n into x to the power n minus 1 dx, that will be equal to dt. ठीक है. Now we'll put this value, I का value will be equal to okay, so this value will be then 1 upon n यहाँ पे we can write. Okay. So 1 okay, 1 plus, so 1 plus integral of, this is t, so square root of 1 plus t. ठीक है. And dt, this value into dx is equal to 1 upon n dt. ठीक है. So our value will be 1 upon n we can take common. So 1 upon square root of t. Okay. So square root of t को can we write like this, 1 plus t 1 by 2 dt. ठीक है. So this will be, so I का value will be equal to 1 upon n and integral of 1 plus t to the power minus 1 upon 2 dt, that will be equal to 1 upon n. and इसका value क्या होगा, whenever we are integrating जो power रहता है we have to add 1, तो हम add करेंगे 1, we'll get 1 upon 2. Okay. So adding 1 in this will get 1 upon 2 t, 1 plus t to the power 1 upon 2 and divided by 1 upon 2. Divided by 1 upon 2 मतलब multiplied by 2 plus c. So I का value will be equal to 2 upon n and 2 upon n, this value 1 plus t, or else we can write like this, 2 multiplied by this divided by n plus c. This value, this will be the integral of this function with respect to x. Okay. So we have another question, integral of this function with respect to x we have to find out. So let x cube is equal to t. So what will be the value? 3x square dx will be equal to dt. ठीक है. So as 3x square is there, तो हम ले सकते इसको. We'll take this. So I will be equal to 1 upon this x cube is equal to t. So 1 square root of 1 plus t. ठीक है. And dt, because dt is equal to this one. So what value will get 1 plus t to the power minus 1 upon 2. ये होगा value. And dt. ठीक है. So with respect to t, what value will get after integrating this function? क्या मिलेगा? 1 plus t का value minus 1 upon 2 है. When we will add 1, power में हम add करेंगे 1, so we'll get 1 upon 2 and divided by 1 upon 2 plus c. It means this is divided by 2, so multiplied by मतलब divided by 1 upon 2 मतलब multiplied by 2 and square root of 1 plus t plus c. So ये होगा value हमारा आंसर. Okay. So we have another question. So we have a question we have to find out the integral of this function with respect to x. So first of all हम क्या करेंगे? We'll take this value 1 plus x square, okay, is equal to t. So derivative क्या होगा इसका? 2x. This will be 0 and this will be 2x dx. That will be equal to dt. ठीक है. Then x, it means x dx will be equal to 1 upon 2 dt. ठीक है. Now what we'll do? Why we have taken this? Because यहाँ पे x है and dx है. So this value, that's why we have just यहाँ से 2 को remove करके यहाँ पे रख दिए हैं. So it will be 1 upon 2 dt. Okay. Now I will be equal to, when we are putting this value, I का value क्या होगा? This is t, so square root of t into square root of t 1 upon 2 dt. Square root of t 1 upon 2 dt. So 1 upon 2 will take common. Why? That is constant. And t का power is t का power will be 1 upon 2 and dt. So by integrating this value to find out the integral of this function with respect to t, what value we'll get? We'll get t का power is 1 upon 2. So we'll add one power एक add करेंगे तो it will be 3 upon 2. Okay. So t का value 3 upon 2 and divided by 3 upon 2. Okay. And already 1 upon 2 is also there. वहाँ पे है. That is multiplied with it and plus c. Okay. So what value we'll get? ये this is 1 upon 2 है और multiplied by 3 upon 2. 2 cancel, it will be 3. So t to the power 3 upon 2 divided by 3 plus c. So this will be the integral of this function with respect to x. Okay, but we have to that should be in x के term में होना चाहिए ना. So I का value will be equal to, now we'll put the value of x put the value of t in x का term. Okay, so t का value, so 1 plus x square t का value है to the power 3 upon 2 divided by 3 plus c. So this will be the integral of this function with respect to x. Okay. So in this we have a question we have to find out the value of integral of this function with respect to x. So first of all we'll take let 1 plus x to the power 4 is equal to t. So what value we'll get? क्या मिलेगा हमें value? The value will get, this will be 0 and x, this will be 4x cube dx, that will be equal to dt. ठीक है. Now x cube is there, 4 तो नहीं है, so we can remove 4 from here and इस side लेकर जाएंगे. X cube dx will be equal to 1 upon 4 dt. ठीक है. Now putting the value here, what value will get? 1 upon 4, वो constant हम ले लेंगे front में आगे. Okay, and this value is t, so 1 upon root t, square root of t, and dt, because dt 1 upon 4 we have taken. Okay? So 1 upon 4 in 1 upon 4 into t ka power will be minus 1 upon 2, t ka power minus 1 upon 2 dt. Okay, so what value will get? 1 upon 4 t ka power will be after integrating what value will get? T ka power will be 1 increase करेगा ना, तो 1 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1, so it will be 1 upon 2. Okay, plus 1 upon 2, so t to the power 1 upon 2 and divided by 1 upon 2. Okay, so this will become 2 and plus c. So what value will get? T 1 upon 2 t 1 upon 2 plus c. So now we'll put the value of t. So I ka value will be 1 upon 2 and t ka value is 1 plus x to the power 4. 1 plus x to the power 4 to the power, okay, we can write like this also, and plus c. ठीक है, हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, बिकॉज x to the power 1 upon 2 का मतलब है square root of t, so square root of t is 1 plus x to the power 4, square root of 1 plus x to the power 4, and 1 by 2 is as it is हमने लिखा है, and plus c constant. So the integral of this function, this will be the integral of this function with respect to x. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.